Okay, that's the news for today. Give Ira good job clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Since the COVID-19 is growing, you must take care of yourself. Always wear your face mask and always put alcohol to be safe always. And for today's discussion now, we are going to explore and know the different layers of the Earth. Okay, who knows that Earth has different layers? Does anyone know?
No, ma'am.
Okay, since you don't know, how about who know that the different layers of the Earth? Do you know what are the different layers of the Earth?
No, ma'am.
Since you don't
place where the plates touch each other is known as the fault. When the plates move and the boundaries bump up against each other, it may cause an earthquake. Whoa! Outer core. The Earth's outer core is made up of hot liquid iron and nickel and is about 1,400 miles thick. Too thick. The outer core creates something called a magnetic field and makes a protective barrier around the Earth that shields us from the sun's destructive solar wind. That's cool. The core is made up of solid iron and nickel and is about 1,500 miles thick. That's too hot, and unbelievably, it's as hot as the sun's surface, around 9,000 to 13,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know a lot about the layers of the Earth. Please drop a like, leave a comment, share the videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Our app.
Okay, since you already know the different layers based on the video that you watched, I have here different questions in order to check your information based on the video that you watched. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who wants to answer question number 1? Okay, Manilin, please read the questions, then answer the question.
How many layers of the Earth are there?
Please stand up. There are
4 layers of the Earth.
Okay, that's correct. The Earth has 4 layers. How about question number 2? Okay, Aira, please stand up. Read the question first, then answer the question.
What are the 4 main layers of the Earth? The 4 layers of the Earth are crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core.
Okay, exactly. The 4 layers of the Earth are altogether. What are the 4 layers of the Earth? Crust, mantle, inner core, and
Outer core.
okay. So who wants to answer number 3? Can you please speak loudly? Angela, number 3. Read the question first.
Why are there so many layers of the Earth?
Okay. What is
There
that?
are many layers of the Earth
Because
they have
different.
different purpose.
Yes, there are many layers of the Earth because each layer have its own purpose. So, who have any additional information based on the video? Kayla, you have any additional information?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please stand up. Speak loudly.
Crust is about 3 to 5 meals thick.
Yes, the crust is about 3 to 5 miles thick. Who have any additional information? Arlene, do you have any information?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Outer core.
Can you please speak loudly?
Outer core is about 1,400 miles thick and
and an egg to show the layers of the earth. What can you see? It is an egg. Yes. I am going to cut the egg and observe it properly. Oh, look, what can you see? What is your observation, Arlene?
The egg has 4 layers.
Yes, the egg has 4 layers. Very good. How about you, Ira? What can you observe on the egg?
The egg has different color, white, yellow, and light orange.
Yes, this egg is also like the layers of the earth. This egg is like an earth. If you cut it, there are 4 layers. The inner core, the outer core, the mantle, and the core. So, to begin, I am going to give you a handout so that you will further understand the layers of the earth. So, I have here handouts. Do you already have handouts?
Yes.
There are 2 handouts, the picture and the 1 copy of this. Do you already have? All of you? So, since you already know the 4 layers of the earth, do you know the meaning of each layer?
No, Mom.
Okay, since you already know the 4 layers of the earth, do you know the meaning of each layer?
No, Mom.
Okay, since you don't know, we are going to discuss the meaning of each layer. Based on the piece that I gave you, what is the crust? Manilin.
Earth is a crust. It's like the shell of the hard boiled egg. It is extremely
Thin.
beautiful and brightly compared to the under layer of the earth.
So, correct. Based on the piece that I gave you, it means that crust is like a shell. Like this in the shell of the egg. Since this is the egg, when I remove the shell, that is the crust. Can you please go in front and show what is crust?
This is a crust.
Yes, based on the picture, the crust is at the outermost layer of the earth. So you can sit down to give Manilin 4 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, additional from the earth crust, it says that there are 2 types of crust. The oceanic crust, which is composed of oceans, the lakes, the bodies of waters, and another is the land, which is composed of the soil and the grounds. So the crust also is broken in 2 pieces called the plates. There are how many plates are there? How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. That continent is called states. Based on the piece that I gave you, what is mantle? Okay, Ella, can you please read what is mantle?
It is thicker than the crust at around 2,900 miles. It makes up about 85% of the earth. The mantle is This is a mantle.
Okay, that is the mantle. Can you please give Ira 4 clap? Very good. Did you know that a mantle is solid and but it is viscously fluid? So the next layer of the earth, who knows what is the next layer of the earth? Based on the copy that I gave you. The next layer of the earth is Kayla?
Is the only layer of the earth that is liquid and is mainly made up of the iron and nickel as well as small amounts of other substances. It is around 1,400 miles thick.
Okay, can you please show us where is outer core can be seen?
This is outer core.
Very good. Outer core is in the third layer of the earth. Okay, can you please give Kayla 4 claps? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is said that the outer core is the only layer of the earth that is liquid. What is liquid? Who knows what is liquid? It is flowing. Example of liquid is water. So it means that the outer core is liquid and it's flowing. And in the outer core, that is the part that produces the magnetic field. So what is the last layer of the earth? Angela.
At the center of the earth is solid iron inner core. It has
Thickness of
1,500 miles.
yes, that is correct. Can you please show us where is inner core can be found?
This is an inner core.
Okay, that is the inner core. It is the innermost layer of the earth. Please give Angela 4 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in the inner core, it is the centermost layer of the earth. If just like an egg, can you see an egg? If you see the orange one is the inner core. So, since you already know the 4 layers of the earth, we are going to go now in our group activity. I am going to group you into two groups. This group, Kayla, Manilyn, and Arlene, you are going to be the group 1. And Angela and Ira, you are going to be group 2. Can you please go into your group mates? This will be group 1, Ira and Arlene. Can you please go there? And then the group of Kayla will be here. You will be there. Angela, can you please go there? So our activity will be called Earth's model. I have here 4 clays, and you are going to form a Earth model. So group 1, this will be your clay, and then group 2. So this is the instruction. instruction. Who wants to read the instruction number 1? Okay, Ira, can you please read?
Form a ball to represent the inner core.
Okay. Using the clay, you are going to form a ball using to represent the inner core. Number 2, please, Kayla, can you please read first the instruction before doing that?
Next, we're out a circle of another color and wrap around the ball and roll gently to represent the outer core.
Okay, the next, you are going to roll out a circle of another color. Then, can you please keep quiet first? Listen to me first before doing that. You are going to roll out a piece of clay to represent the outer core. And then, the number 3 step is if subsequent color will need more modeling clay, then the last, you will need a color to represent the crust and the mantle. Since the layer of the earth have different thickness, you will use different sizes of balls to represent each layer. And then, once your ball is already 4 layers, you will also cut it using a piece of thread or any object that you can use. Then observe the model and share your observation. You can start now. Okay, class, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then you are going to cut it into 2. Just cut it into 2. After that, I have here question. Please observe what you've done. Observe your end the discussion, I have here an activity. Who wants to read your activity?
Mom.
Okay. Can you please read? Okay, Ayla.
Direction is create the layer of the earth and put label on each layer.
Very good. So, in your activity, you are going to illustrate the layers of the earth. You are going to draw the layers of the earth. Please do it in your 1/4 sheet of paper. Do it quietly. Your book is here. Are you